All right, so to divide with complex numbers, we have to multiply top and bottom by the complex conjugate of the denominator. All that means is that if this is 3i, we're going to multiply by negative 3i top and bottom. And that's going to get rid of the imaginary number on the bottom. And a simplified complex number does not have an imaginary number in the denominator or in the bottom of the fraction. Just like with radicals, you wouldn't end up with like an answer like 3 over square root of 2. You would multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2, and you would end up with 3 square root of 2 over 2 and no radical in the denominator. So same idea here. 10 times negative 3i is negative 30i. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. I times I is I squared. Remember, every time you write I squared, you mark it out, change the sign. So we've got negative 30i over 9. Well, 30 and 9, those can reduce. That's like, I don't know, 3 times 10. We could break that down, and 9 is 3 times 3. So those 3's would cancel. That leaves us with negative 10i over 3. Now notice that there's no denominator, no I in the denominator. And so that's our simplified answer to this question. All right. I hope that was helpful. See you in the next one.